こんにちは、みどり豆です。今日は Today we are learning the Japanese particle と。So what does と do? There are two things. Connect with noun, and also action with somebody. Let's take a look at this example. Apple and orange. We use and in Japanese, we're gonna use と connect with apple and orange. So it's リンゴとみかん. Here's another example about and. In English, we use comma to connect multiple items. For example, paper, comma, pencil, and eraser. However, in Japanese, we are going to use と for each items. So if it's paper, pencil, and eraser, in Japanese, 紙と鉛筆と消しゴム. Another thing for と is action with someone. So, for example, I play with my friends. Friend or friends is 友達 in Japanese. With friend is 友達と play. 遊びます. Hey, have you had a hard time to concentrate while you study? Did you know supplement could help you? If so, you should try Goli, the Ashwagandha sweet gummy, before you study. For more details, there is a special link on the description. You will get 10 to 42% off from the retail price. Hit the link and study smart. Alright, let's do a short quiz. What is in the blank? 家族、食べます。A に B を C と The answer is C と家族と食べます。Alright, that's all for today. Great job! And if you have any question, please leave a comment. And don't forget to click the like button. I will be super happy. And if you haven't not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. And don't forget turn on the bell for the new videos. Alright, see you next time. またね